Some motherfuckers. So here I am in an empty project, and it's just like just has a Node 3D, and that's about it. I was just doing some Git stuff. But yeah, what this game is gonna be, it's not gonna be like an actual. It's kind of gonna be kind of like a fake 2D game. So I'm gonna try and make it look 3D, but it's actually gonna. I'm gonna try and make it look 2D, but it's gonna be 3D, and I'm gonna use orthographic perspective. I think that's what it's called, and let me see, orthogonal perspective. That's the name. Okay, so like it's gonna use like some type of perspective like that. You're gonna be able to rotate it though, of course, stuff like that. And because I really like this perspective, I like using 3D. But I've always been inspired by some games that I played when I was playing on the Game Boy. So I'm actually gonna go for a similar look to that, but have more of a like 3D effects in there, because I love working with 3D. This is so it's going to be both a challenge and it's going to be freaking awesome because I'm really looking forward to like working on RPGs and stuff. And yeah, but I'm gonna make like an hour long recording, and whenever I do any Godot related stuff, it'll be just like a live video unless I go for like a glass of water or something during the recording, and it'll just be kind of comfortable. And whenever I do any artistic stuff, like let's say Blender or Krita, I'll probably fast forward that unless maybe it's some special occasion or someone's been asking for someone's like, how do you make a texture like this? And then I'll probably show it's like, oh yeah, here's how I like to make my textures or something, some stuff like that. But yeah, that's how it's gonna go, and yeah, so but yeah, so this is almost like a live recording right here in a way. I'm not gonna edit this at all, and this is how it's probably gonna feel. This is like me talking over stuff, generating ideas. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stream at some point with this, but for now, I'm just gonna make recordings, and maybe I might stream, but I don't know. But for now, I think I'll just, like I said, make recordings, speed up artistic parts of the project, and then go over like in deep detail what everything I'm doing in Godot. And I might use Godot for making maps and stuff. I'm not sure how well that works for with Godot 4. I'm sure there might be issues because I think everything's being revamped. But I'll probably figure some shit out. And if it really gets like too crazy, maybe because I'm going for like a 2D ish game. But yeah, like I'll probably figure out different ways to do stuff. But yeah, definitely Godot is very nice because I love Trench Broom. I love using Trench Broom. It's a very nice thing. I've been like, this is a new computer I just got, so, but yeah, I've just been testing out like to see if like Trench Broom is all working fine. But yeah, I spent a lot of time in Trench Broom, and I'm hoping to use it for this. And yeah, I'm looking forward to work on this game with you guys. I got this GitHub up. That's it's just public. I have some branch rules to make sure that people can't just like add some bogus shit in there. Like let's say like maybe a virus or something. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what people do. But yeah, you'll have to make a pull request in order to make any changes to this repo, and they'll have to get approval from me pretty much. And yeah, it's about it so far. This is gonna be open source. I am planning on selling it, but I don't really care if it gets any sales at all. So, but yeah, it'll just be like a game I'm just making with you guys, and I think it's gonna be really fun to do. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. Since the RPG, it might take a little bit. Might have a bit of setup time. I'll have to test the RPG elements to make sure it's working fine. Probably make a few different characters because that's like how the game worked that I'm inspired from. And yeah, and this is a different recording once again. This is just a little like heads up what I'm gonna be doing, basically, and just keeping you guys up to date because like I feel like I haven't been uploading a lot, and this is a good way to start uploading more. And I feel like if anyone has any questions during any of these videos, please let me know, and then I could just make a separate video on that. And because I'm actually starting to run out of some ideas for tutorials, but yeah, um, yeah, and I hope this like is gonna be a fun experience and a helpful experience for everyone. I'm looking forward to making this with you guys, and Hell, maybe I'll even record myself trying to put this shit on Steam or something. Yeah, just so that everyone knows how. And then, but yeah, I'll probably sell it for pretty damn cheap too. But yeah, have a good motherfucking day, or kind of like a night for me. It's 2:03 a.m. for me, and that's some Blender stuff I'm working on for a different game. And yeah, have a good motherfucking day.